What's in your wallet? Well, boom, boom. Well, I got a couple of dollars. I need more. But we're going to go over what's in my wallet. This is going to be talking about the credit card stuff that I use. I got my notes because, you know, I always forget everything. But this is the credit card hacking, credit card travel hacking, whatever you want to call it. This is what I do. Currently, these are the cards that I have in my arsenal right here. And I'm going to go over each one of them, why I have them and the benefits that I get, and why you should put these on the top of your list. Again, I have another credit card video about credit card hacking and how I travel for free. Biggest trip was Morocco, round trip for only 24,000 points, which I'll put that into perspective in just a little bit. That's nothing. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started. So what we got here first? We've got the Southwest business card. All right, I've got a business, so I got personal cards and business cards. What do I like about the Southwest business card? Well, with that Southwest business card, I got, my introductory offer on that was 80,000 points after $3,000 worth of spend. What does 80,000 points give me on Southwest? A lot. That's more than halfway to your companion pass. And if you don't know what a companion pass is, you need to look it up, because the companion pass is awesome. You can take somebody for flying with you all year long for free when you have the companion pass. And let me tell you, you can use points to book the trip, then take somebody for free. So it's like a free trip for you, free trip for them. And you know, like maybe if you're single dude and you want to be a baller on a budget, don't tell them it was free and be like, hey, come on with me. I got a free flight. I got you, girl. You know, you worry about the rest later. Anyway, companion pass is great. So it gets you halfway to companion pass. 80,000 points. I have flown from Fort Lauderdale to Denver for only 6,000 points round trip. So that's like over 10 trips right there if you want to go to Denver and back. Just off that introductory bonus. How much did it cost me? It's $199 annual fee. Immediately, everybody's like, I don't want to pay the annual fee. Well, let me tell you, all these cards I'm going to go over that have annual fees, some of them don't, they're worth it. Just put it that way. Look at all the flights I'm getting just by the bonus points on that, and that's far outweighs $199. Also, what I get is 9,000 annual points, $100 TSA Premier Global Entry credit. I get Wi-Fi credits. I get 4 upgraded boardings, 2 early boardings. I get all that by just having the card. So that right there trumps the whole $199 fee. So that's the business one. Boom, boom. My personal one. So this personal one, this introductory bonus was 60,000 points after only $3,000 of spend. Plus right now, if you, I'm going to have everything linked below. So I don't get paid for this, by the way. I wish I did, but I don't get paid. So I need you to subscribe, like, but I also need you, if you're interested in these, comment below and I can help you out personally. But I have all my links below also. If you can use my referral codes, they'll send me like 5,000 and 10,000 points sometimes if you use this. So that would like really be helpful for me because I'm trying to stack these points. Anyway, back to the Southwest personal card. So right now they have a promo. On top of the 60,000 points, you also get 30% off of the base fare of a flight. So if you're going to Hawaii for like $800 or something like that, you're going to automatically get 30% off. Great deal. I think it's 2 more weeks. The 18th of July is when that one ends. But you also get, with that card, a $75 credit, travel credit, 7,500 extra annual points, 4 upgrades. This costs $149, but again, totally worth it because you're getting 60,000 points. They have a lower tier, which is only $69, but I think you only get 40,000 points with that one. Again, go on the site. I have the link below, and it'll show you each one and what their introductory offers are right now because they do change. But if they're 60,000, it's usually pretty good. All right, I got another card for you, which is a little bit different approach. Boom, boom, well, boom, whatever. The Bilt Card, all right? You might have seen it on Instagram or TikTok or something like that. I just got it. Let me tell you what. It's free, all right? You use it to pay your rent, and then immediately like, oh, I can't pay my rent with that because they charge me a fee. No. This card's a little different. What they do is they give you an account number, not a credit card number, but an account number. You go into your renter website, whatever that might be. You type it in, like the checking account and the routing. They give you that. So the system the rental company is charging you just like an account, but it's going to your card and you're getting all those points. So if your rent's like $2,000, that's $24,000 right there for free that you're getting. 24,000 points right there you're getting for free. That's a trip to Morocco just by paying your rent with that credit card, and it's no annual fee. The only thing you have to do with that one is you do have to use it 5 times in a billing cycle, but there's no minimum. So you can go get 5 different sticks of gum and that's it. Cool card, cool idea. I'm getting points. Oh, guess what? Those points also transfer. Transferring is king. If you can transfer points to other airlines, other sites, that's how you really stack up this travel hacking and travel points stuff. So yeah, you can transfer those Bilt points to like Delta, all kinds of different travel partners, and it's a great deal. Next, we have boom, Chase Business Preferred Inc. No, Business Unlimited Inc. card. So I just got this one. I don't think this one had a fee when I looked. It didn't have a fee on this one, or maybe it was $49. But I get 75,000 points after I spend $6,000. Okay, everybody's like, oh my God, I don't spend $6,000. You do. Everything I spend on these cards. My health insurance, my gas, my food, every single thing goes onto my cards. And so that I can get that $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 spend that I have to do in the first 3 to 4 months, depending on what the card is. That's why I get those introductory bonuses. So also, it's a Chase card. What is a Chase card? Chase has the best rewards point system in my opinion. They're valued the highest. They have the most transfer partners. Example. Well, hang on. I'm going to get to that example in a second. But first, I have the personal Chase Saphire preferred card. And that one got me 80,000 points after $4,000 of spending. It cost me $95 for that card, but I get a $50 travel credit. I get 6 months of Uber. I get 6 months of Instacart. And again, 80,000 points. Perspective. I took Chase points. I transferred them to KLM Air France. 24,000 points. I also got 25% off through Air France. So I got to go from Miami to Paris for a layover, then to Morocco and back, round trip, 24,000 points, and I only had to pay the taxes, which was $198. I got a full Morocco video, crazy awesome trip. My whole trip cost me $1,200 with airfare total for everything for like 7 or 8 days. Camels in the Sahara, crazy. Make sure you subscribe and look for that series coming up. It was awesome. Such a cool trip. One of my favorite trips. Anyway, back to this. I was able to do that because of this travel hacking, travel credit card stuff. Transferred the Chase points to their partner, which was Air France, KLM, and I got the ticket. So yeah. Now, I don't do many hotel credit cards, but we got the IHG Premier hotel credit card. IHG is a very large hotel company. If you don't know them, they have a crap ton of hotels. Most of your major hotels are owned by them. They had a bonus introductory of 180,000 points. The reason why I don't like hotel points systems as much is because you have to use a lot more of their points just for one night. Like, they're not as cheap as like airline points. But I got 180,000 points after $3,000 of spend. I get a $50 flight credit. That card costs me $99, but I get free upgrades. I get elite status, which is basically anytime I check, I can get the lowest level hotel and book it with points. And if there's a suite, they upgrade me automatically for free. So right there, that's worth it. But anyway, you get 180,000 plus when you use reward points. If you get 3 nights, you get a 4th night free. So if I got something for 15,000 a night, that's 45,000 points for 4 nights instead of 3. So that was a deal I had to get. Again, it's going to be linked below. I don't do the hotel cards much, but that was definitely a deal I needed to get. Last and least is the Barclays, what is this, Aviator card. I keep this forever. It's $99, but here's the thing. When I first got it, it had a 60,000 point bonus. But the reason why I keep it and pay the $99 every year is because I get preferred boarding, free Wi-Fi, and I get free check bags. So if you've traveled twice, it's like paying for itself. And I know I'm going to fly on American, so I actually keep that card. These other cards, I rotate them. I keep them for a year, maybe 2 years, just kind of depending on what the benefits are and if they're worth it. If not, I cancel them, wait a year or so, re-get that card into my system. When you cancel a card, call them and ask them if they have any retainer bonuses. Sometimes they'll give you like an extra 10,000 points or a $100 statement credit or something like that just for keeping their card and not canceling it in a month or two. So definitely check that out. But anyway, to recap, these are all the cards that I have. These are the ones I'm using right now. They do change every month or two because I am rotating with other ones, seeing other offers once I get the intro, blah, 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 blah. But to recap, my favorite cards are the Southwest cards. If you have a business, you need these Southwest cards, or you need any business cards with Chase and Southwest, because put all those expenses, you're giving away, it's like, you're going to spend all this money for work stuff. You might as well get some free trips out of it, right? Reward yourself. So if you have a business, all you need is an LLC and an EIN. You can apply for these cards, and you're going to get those, stack up those points. But I love Southwest points because I get companion passes with them, and I fly Southwest a good bit. But I also love Chase cards as well because they are so transfer partners are so wide, and those points are valued so high. Those are the main cards I got. I don't really do Capital One. Those points have just been kind of crappy to me. And I never do cashback or any of those cards. That's crap. If you love to travel, you need these cards. You're going to get way more benefit out of that. But yeah, I hope you like this. Again, I'm going to have everything linked below. I don't get paid for this again, but if you use my links, they will shoot me some points, and I really appreciate it. Also, if you're really interested, you can direct message me, and I can help you out personally. You know, get started, because I really hope that people can use this, because this is how I've traveled so much. Everybody's like, you must make a lot of money. I've flown more flights for free than I have paid in my lifetime. And I'm talking like hundreds of flights for free just by travel hacking, travel credit card hacking, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, please give us a like, comment, subscribe, because I'm going to have some other videos about my travels that I've done using this travel hacking, and then also the travel vlogs to go with them. But anyway, yeah, I think that's going to be it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.